Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best miter saw stands that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Ridgid AC9946 mobile miter saw stand. The Ridgid AC9946 is our top pick for most people, as it is durable, portable, and very easy to use. The Ridgid is not our cheapest recommendation, but it is not our priciest one either. It is in the middle of the price range, but it offers great value for your money. This miter saw stand comes with a solid heavy-duty build, which ensures years of loyal service and awesome large wheels, which make moving the Ridgid anywhere, even up and down stairs, a simple task. The Ridgid offers a lot of versatility, which makes it a top choice amongst professionals. To begin with, it has the largest wheels of any miter saw stand we looked at. The 12 inches diameter wheels make transporting this saw stand super easy. Unlike other wheeled models, the diameter of these wheels makes it also easy to transport the Ridgid up and down stairs. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Bora Portamate PM4000. Our next miter saw stand review will be on the Bora Portamate PM4000, our favorite budget-friendly miter saw stand. It is practical, simple, and very sturdy. Although it does not feature wheels like our other recommendations, it is quite lightweight, which makes it easy to carry around regardless. Despite its lightweight, it has one of the highest carrying capacities of any model we looked at. It is a straightforward saw stand, and it is more than good enough to get the job done. The Bora Portamate PM4000 is a no-frills saw stand. It is very easy to assemble and fold. For assembly, the folding legs swing below the center of the stand, where they snap into a position secured by pins. When you want to stow it away, the 43 inches x 20 x 6 dimensions will allow you to fit the saw stand in any corner of your garage. At number 3, we have the Bosch miter saw stand T4B. The Bosch T4B is our top pick for a high-end miter saw stand. This unit is pricey, but it has a solid steel construction, which ensures durability, it has wheels for easy transportation, and it features a gravity rise design for easy assembly and dismantling. It has the capacity to hold long pieces of wood, and it is compatible with most saws. We especially recommend this if you work outside, on uneven terrain. The Bosch T4B offers a lot of versatility. To begin with, the patented gravity rise system will allow you to quickly set up and dismantle the saw stand, so you will not have to spend much time fussing as you prepare for work. Another practical feature is the sturdy 8-inch pneumatic wheels, which make transportation easy, even on uneven terrain and with a heavy saw. At number 2, we have the DeWalt DWX726 miter saw stand. If you are looking for the best miter saw stand that you can use with any miter saw, then you should consider the DeWalt DWX726. This stand is similar to the Bosch T4B, as you can use it with any miter saw, regardless of the brand. This is made possible because of its mounting rails that you can adjust easily. This allows for miter saws of up to 300 pounds to fit properly. It also features an extendable height of 32.5 inches and 98 inches. DeWalt also designed this unit to be very portable. If you are always on the go, then this is one of the best miter saw stands for you, as it comes with a fold-up design and a set of durable rubber wheels. DeWalt made the DWX726 miter saw stand with high-grade aluminum, making it a highly durable and reliable miter saw stand. And finally, at number 1, we have the Bosch GTA3800 folding leg miter saw stand. The next miter saw stand on our list is the Bosch GTA3800 folding leg miter saw stand. This is another fascinating miter saw on the market, and it comes with several great features. It is one of the most affordable miter saws stand on our list. If you are looking for a highly durable and strong miter saw, you might want to consider this option. This stand is very easy to use, and it can handle weight up to 550 pounds, which is pretty impressive. The weight capacity of this unit is very impressive compared to other more pricey stands, with a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.